So there's a very important story to be told, which no channel is telling you, which no political party in the opposition will raise because there's a massive conflict of interest. And I'm telling you about the Jaunpur riots, because the torchbearers of human rights won't tell you this story. On the 9th of June, 3 days ago, a Dalit basti was burnt down by a 500-strong violent mob, allegedly from the Muslim community. As this horror unfolds, the Dalits of Jaunpur face untold uncertainty, insecurities, their homes razed, livestock destroyed, killed, set on fire, and their lives today are a living hell. But now a shocking link of the principal accused has come out. And the principal accused, who is cited in this FIR as accused number 23, viewers, is to the Samajwadi Party. He's a member of the Samajwadi Party. His name is Javed Siddiqui. There he is, gloriously decorated in the colors of the Samajwadi Party, sharing a stage, a photo, and handpicked by Akhilesh Yadav to contest the MLA election also from this particular constituency, though the ticket eventually went to the BSP because both the Samajwadi Party and the BSP were in alliance. Now, viewers, for a moment, I'm going to take a slightly political detour. Had this attack on Dalits been perpetrated by supporters of the BJP or the Hindu right or even the Hindu fringe, there would have been a large number of not in my name protests. There would have been protests emblazoned with banners, Dalit Lives Matter. We would have had protests right now, even in these COVID times, on Raisina Hill. We would have had every leader from the opposition of every stripe commenting on this, deploring intolerance in our country and Hindu extremism and Hindutva supremacy. But there's not a word from any of these flag bearers, these torch bearers of tolerance and secularism. And let me give you a list of what they've said in the past and what they've said now. Zero, nothing. Akhilesh Yadav silent. In the past, he says we can't fight virus, but also BJP's hate politics. Mayawati, Dalits have been attacked. The MP of Jaunpur is from the BSP. Has there been a word from Mayawati? No, not a squeak. However, she's the first to throw stones, metaphorically, at Mr. Modi. Chandrasekhar Azad, the new Dalit hero, Bhim Army, came to Delhi, talked about how the anti-CAA protests were legitimate because they were arguing in favor of the denial of citizenship for Muslims by a Hindu supremacist government. He talked about Shaheen Bagh. Has he said a word about the Dalits in Jaunpur? No, not a word. He came here, stood outside Jamia Masjid, got arrested. Not a word, viewers, about what's happening in Jaunpur. Why, I wonder? Prakash Ambedkar, Dalit leader, tears for Rohit Vemula. Justifiable. Not a word for those who are crying out for justice in Jaunpur. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, dharna after the Sonbhadra violence. She held a dharna 26 hours after 10 tribals were killed in police action and by members of another community. A word from her, and she is, of course, a tall leader of the Uttar Pradesh Congress, is the General Secretary of the entire Eastern Unit. Word from her? No, nothing. Sitaram Yachuri, CPM leader, nothing. Asaduddin Owaisi, nothing. Jignesh Mevani, nothing. Mehbooba Mufti, nothing. Omar Abdullah, nothing. Nothing, not a word. Not one word. Why? That's the question we want to ask tonight. Not one word. Why? I want to go straight across to Amir Haq first. Amir, I want us to tell the viewers what's holding back these great torchbearers of secularism, tolerance. What is it? Can you break it down? What's the political compulsion?
Well, Rahul, first let me brief you about the incident that happened on June the 9th there in Jaunpur. It was a very small altercation that happened between certain boys from the Muslim community and from the Dalit Hindu community, which snowballed into this major incident of arson and attack on this Dalit colony over there. And, within hours of that altercation happening, over 100 people congregate there outside this Dalit basti, and they set fire to about dozen Kacha Dalit homes over there. Thankfully, no casualties happened over there because these Dalit families actually took refuge in the neighboring village. But the manner in which this entire attack happened really smacks perhaps of a bigger conspiracy over there. And that is what the police is going to find out, whether the involvement of the Samajwadi Party leader Javed Siddiqui over there had something to do with the politics that their political masters have been churning over the years, or whether it really had to do something with electoral politics, or whether some other vested interests were involved. But yes, as you said, the silence from SP chief Akhilesh Yadav as well as the BSP chief Mayawati is definitely deafening, because over the last 3 years there were different arrangements that these parties have been in. Earlier, this very leader, who has been accused of being a mastermind of this entire incident, was chosen as somebody who was to be fielded from Jaunpur Sadar constituency from Samajwadi Party. Of course, that didn't happen because of the arrangement with the Congress Party. A Congress Party candidate was fielded from there. But yes, Akhilesh Yadav also joined hands with Mayawati to field common candidates in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. So therefore, there definitely is a connection between the Congress Party, the Samajwadi Party, and the BSP.
So politics,
on both sides,
politics,
and therefore their
is being privileged.
Entire matter is
politics is being privileged, viewers. Politics, cozy arrangements are being privileged over the lives of the very constituents that these political parties claim to represent. Now, what does this tell you? It tells you that these parties actually have no fidelity to any ideology except for vote bank. That's it. That's the bottom line. And I want to go straight across to Mr. Bhadoria, Tehseen Poonawala, Mr. Bhadoria of the Samajwadi Party. क्या हो गया भदौरिया साहब? इतना बड़ा हादसा, आपने कभी कुछ नहीं बोला, आपके उस्ताद ने भी कुछ बोला, अखिलेश जी ने, आपके उस्ताद के जो पिताश्री हैं उन्होंने भी कुछ नहीं बोला. क्या चक्कर है सर?
अच्छा, मैं आपको बात बता दूं, देखिए आपको शायद सुनने में
मायावती जी का एमपी है, इसीलिए आप नहीं बोले.
राहुल जी सुन लीजिए, मैं आपको बता दूं, मैं आपके सामने बैठा हूं. आप मुझे समाजवादी का मानते हैं ना? समाजवादी लोग अपनी बात डंकी की चोट पे और सच बोलते हैं. मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, अच्छी बात है जौनपुर की घटना में आप सरकार ने एक्शन लिया. मैं सरकार से पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या सोनभद्र में इसी तरह की घटना हुई, दलितों को पीटा गया था, तो एक्शन कितने दिन बाद लिया? क्या कहां पे है वो लोग जिन्होंने पीटा था? क्या जेल में है? मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कि जहां पे अभी उन्नाव की घटना हुई, दलित महिला को जिंदा जला दिया गया, क्या हुआ? उनके पर एफआईआर हुई? मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कि कानपुर देहात में जहां पे दलितों को दौड़ा दौड़ा के मारा गया, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं ने दौड़ा दौड़ा के मारा, पुलिस मौजूद थी, क्या उन पे एक्शन हुआ? नहीं हुआ. आप जहां पे डिबेट कर रहे हो उसके बगल में वहां पे आपने देखा होगा एक प्रेग्नेंट लेडी घूमती रही एक हॉस्पिटल से दूसरे हॉस्पिटल, लास्ट में उसकी डेथ हो गई, उसके हॉस्पिटल में एडमिशन नहीं मिला. क्या एक्शन हुआ? सीएमओ सस्पेंड हुआ? क्या एनएसए लगा उसके ऊपर में? नहीं लगा. क्या फतेहपुर में एक प्रेग्नेंट लेडी घूमती रही, उसको एडमिशन नहीं मिला, लास्ट में उसने बच्ची की डिलीवरी हॉस्पिटल के बाहर हुई और बच्ची की डेथ हो गई, क्या सस्पेंड हुआ? क्या एनएसए लगा? क्या रासुका लगी? नहीं लगा. मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी राजनीति करना चाहती है. मैं कहता हूं कि जौनपुर में जिसने भी गलती की होगी, लॉ अपना काम करेगा, कोई किसी को नहीं, किसी पर. मैं जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी के आने के बाद से जाति दंगे, ये धर्म के मारपीट और ये रेप घटनाएं, चोरी डकैती क्यों बढ़ी है? ये तो गवर्नमेंट की फेलियर है ना. गवर्नमेंट को समझना चाहिए कि उसकी गलती कहां हो गई.
ठीक है, देखिए वो सवाल का जवाब जो आपने 50 सवाल पूछे हैं उसका जवाब तो अभी आपको मिल जाएगा, डॉक्टर साहब आपको देंगे. मेरे सवाल का आपने जवाब दिया नहीं. आप क्यों चुप बैठे हैं? आप क्यों चुप बैठे हैं? आपको
मुझे क्या
किसी
करना
ने
चाहिए?
क्या
अरे हम
इंस्ट्रक्शन
क्यों
दिया
चुप
है?
बैठे हैं? हम क्यों चुप बैठे हैं? सरकार की जिम्मेदारी है।
मुझे
किसने
आप
गलती
दिखा
की, उसको
दीजिए
अरेस्ट
कि
करेगी
अखिलेश
सरकार।
जी ने
सरकार चार्जशीट
मैं
फाइल करेगी।
आपसे
आप
एक
चाहते
सवाल
हो कि मैं
पूछता
सरकार
हूं,
बन जाऊं?
ठीक
आप
है,
चाहते हैं कि
मेरी बात
समाजवादी
सुनिए,
पार्टी
आपने
चीफ
कहा
मिनिस्टर
ना,
बन जाए, तो
मेरी
बना
बात
दीजिए
सुनिए,
चीफ मिनिस्टर हमें।
आपने कहा यू सेड दैट द लॉ विल टेक इट्स ओन कोर्स, बिग
Yes.
वर्ड्स. Now tell me, sir, there is an individual who belongs to the Samajwadi Party. The people there are accusing him, naming him. Why don't you sack him? Why don't
मैं
you
कह रहा हूं,
investigate
अगर
him? Why don't you show
सुनिए,
cause him?
अगर कोई भी व्यक्ति अभी एफआईआर
नहीं,
हुई है,
आपने कुछ
अगर
किया है?
कोई व्यक्ति इंक्वायरी में पाया जाएगा कि समाजवादी का हो
इंक्वायरी
या
है
किसी
सर,
पार्टी का हो,
एफआईआर फाइल्ड है,
सुन तो लीजिए
ये
मेरी
देखें
बात।
आप.
अरे
एफआईआर
सुन लीजिए, मैं जो
FIR
मैं
किस
कह
पे
रहा हूं,
होता
सुन
है?
लीजिए।
FIR is filed
सुन लीजिए।
after, sir, listen to me. An FIR, you know better than I, sir. FIR is
हाँ.
filed after a preliminary probe on a complaint.
Yes.
It's here. So you tell me,
Yes,
prima
तो-
facie, एक
अरे
मिनट,
हाँ.
मेरी इस बात तो सुन लीजिए और मेरा जवाब
हाँ,
दे
बोलिए,
दीजिए.
बोलिए।
कोई बात नहीं, मैं
बोलिए।
आपका टाइम नहीं लूंगा, सर.
बोलिए बोलिए।
आपने मुझे समय दिया है. I'm just going to
बोलिए,
ask
बोलिए।
you simply this. आप नहीं समझते हैं कि जावेद सदीकी साहब, जिनका नाम सारे वहां पर दलितों के होठों पे है, उसको आप
हाँ।
सस्पेंड कर दीजिए थोड़े दिनों के लिए, पेंडिंग
आप मेरी
इंक्वायरी.
बात-
आप उनको शो
आप
कॉज
मेरी
कर
बात-
दीजिए.
अरे मेरी बात तो सुन लीजिए। अगर जावेद सिद्दीकी उसमें इन्वॉल्व होंगे तो ये तय मानिए कि पार्टी किसी पे रियायत नहीं करती। हम समाजवादी लोग सीधी सी बात करते हैं।
4 दिन हो गए सर, आप जरा सुन भी लीजिए. आई विटनेसेस की आप आवाज सुन लीजिए. आई विटनेसेस की मे बी आपको पता नहीं है, मेरे पास है एफआईआर, आप मेरे से कॉपी ले सकते हैं. लेट्स लिसन इनटू द आई विटनेसेस व्यूअर्स. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर बीइंग टोल्ड. We are constantly being told that look, the other side doesn't do anything against the Hindu communities accused. These false equivalences will not hold. This was said of the Delhi riots. Times Now brought out the charge sheet. We showed you, viewers, how an equal number of people from the Hindu and the Muslim community were booked. They've named Javed Siddiqui. Of course, the Samajwadi Party will not hear that name because it's inconvenient. Dr. Trivedi, answer these questions. That you took action because the perpetrators here happen to be Muslims, so it suits your agenda, so you booked them under NSA. But you routinely let go of people who are of another community, the majority community in the state, because they are your vote bank. That's the charge that is being leveled at the BJP tonight.
We have taken action against each and every person whosoever is culprit, irrespective of their community and others. But अभी भदौरिया साहब बहुत आगे बोले दलितों पे ये हुआ. अरे समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार
दलितों पे
अरे मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, आपने
इतने
सोनभद्र में क्या किया? जरूर समाज-
एक दूसरे पे बात मत कीजिए. Don't speak over each other. Bhadoria साहब, please silence. Let him speak. I'll come out to you.
अपने टर्न पे बोलिए.
Lord
आप
is
बोल रहे
fair.
थे, मैं शांति
Yes.
सुन रहा था. आप अपने टर्न पे बोलिए. 2007 में मायावती जी ने नारा दिया था, चढ़ गुंडन की छाती पर मोहर लगाओ हाथी पर. तो ये हाथी वालों को किन गुंडों से बचाना था जनाब? इतना अत्याचार किया था कि उन्हें ये नारा देना पड़ा. और आप तो वो हैं, मायावती जी को ही जान से मारने की कोशिश की थी. 4 जून 1995 25वीं वर्षगांठ अभी गुजरी है, जिसने सीधे मुलायम सिंह जी नामजद थे. और बचाने कौन गया था? भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग, हमारे नेता स्वर्गीय ब्रह्मदत्त द्विवेदी और आज के मध्य प्रदेश के गवर्नर लालजी टंडन, राजस्थान के गवर्नर कलराज मिश्रा जी. क्या बात करते हैं आप दलितों के लिए, आपके लिए? मैं समाजवादी पार्टी को दोष नहीं देता, ये तो हमेशा अपराधियों के साथ रहे ही हैं. मगर आज मायावती जी की चुप्पी, चंद्रशेखर की चुप्पी, जो जामा मस्जिद की सीढ़ियों पर जा सकते हैं, जौनपुर पे चुप्पी. जिग्नेश मेवानी जो कहते थे सड़कों पर निकल आओ, वो चुप. प्रकाश अंबेडकर चुप. क्या इनका हृदय दलितों के लिए नहीं धड़कता? इनका हृदय एक विचारधारा विशेष के लिए धड़कता है. और इनको किसी अरुण माहौर मारा गए
Okay.
आगरा में, दलित थे, किसी ने बोला? प्रशांत पुजारी मारे गए बेंगलोर में, किसी ने बोला? इसलिए कि दलितों की भी ये देख के देखा जाता हमें सूट करता है कि नहीं, उसके अनुसार बोलना. समाजवादी पार्टी की प्रवृत्ति जग जाहिर है.
The charge is secular selectivism, secular silent Q. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, what do you make of this?
Yeah, Rahul, first of all, thank you very much for covering this piece of news. You know, if you remember 2 days ago or 3 days ago when you were talking about demarcating the charge sheet into Hindus and Muslims, you were rightly defensive and circumspect, because nobody wants to do that.
Yes.
No citizen wants to know whether the crime was committed by a Hindu or a Muslim. But these guys have run amok in the last 6 years, have been so selective that, you know, they will only highlight the Hindu hate crime against Muslims. You know, in the last 2 years, there have been more than 50 Muslim mob hate crimes against Dalits. Not one has been highlighted by these guys. In fact, as we speak, Swati Goel Sharma of Swarajya has filed a report from Mewat. She is quoting a letter that has been sent by the judge of Mewat, in Mewat, to the chief minister, saying that Aurangzeb-like atrocities are happening against Dalits in Mewat. But do you see any of these guys talking about it? No. Dalits have been ostracized in Muslim majority areas. The names of the villages and towns are being changed. Even wearing Pathan suits, they are being, you know, assaulted for wearing Pathan suits. So many crimes are happening, but you never hear it because of their agenda, Jai Bhim, Jai Meme. And just give me 30 seconds, you know, of this Jai Bhim, Jai Meme, why they don't highlight Dalit atrocities, communal hate crimes against Dalits by Muslims, is because they will always talk about Ambedkar, what he said about outrage on Hinduism. Rightly so. But they never talk about that, yes, he left the fold of Hinduism, but why did he not join Islam?
Okay.
They would never, for example, quote Ambedkar, where he said that conversion to Islam will denationalize the depressed classes. If they go to Islam, the number of Muslims will be doubled, and
Well,
the danger of Muslim domination also becomes real.
Today the silence
He also said
speaks
Islam is a
volumes.
closed corporation, and the distinction that it makes between Muslim and Muslim is a very real one. So,
Today,
you know,
viewers,
when you are selective to the point of extreme, it is very clear
It is very
that
clear.
you are running an agenda.
You're running an agenda. Tehseen Poonawalla, where is Mrs. Vadra? Why hasn't she spoken? Why hasn't she visited?
Thank you, Rahul.
Very brief, the Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is living proof that an empty vessel that makes the most noise is the biggest failure for Chief Minister in Uttar Pradesh, because law and order comes underneath him. But let's come to the fact. Atrocities against SC/ST have gone up 18% under the government of Narendra Modi says, "Unko mat maro, mujhe maro." When Supreme Court has said make a more violent will, that protects everybody, he doesn't want to do it. Because he believes manual scavenging is a spiritual experience. That is Narendra Modi. Jack Dorsey is bullied for saying that Dalit lives matter. The ST has said reservations is not a fundamental right. This government is anti-Dalit. I challenge you on Times Now. Ask Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, does he stand up for reservations for my Dalit brothers and sisters? How many Dalits are DMs in Uttar Pradesh? Less than their population. How many Dalits are chief justices across courts in India? Less than the number of Dalits. How
Sir,
many
great.
Dalits are police commissioners? Zero.
Well done.
This Narendra
Now,
Modi
listen to me.
government is anti-Dalit.
You didn't answer the question I asked
They
you.
want to harm Dalits.
ठीक है, sir.
This is the
Very,
government.
very nice, very passionate. Maybe you should go to Jaunpur, since none of your Congress. No, no.
Listen, the day Priyanka Gandhi
Sir,
was
since
the
none of your
Prime Minister
Congress
of the
comrades have
country,
gone, maybe you should go and you should say
Right now,
exactly
the
this.
Prime Minister is Narendra Modi.
But can I ask you a small question? Where is Mrs. Vadra?
Yes, the day Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, one atrocity by a Brahmin or Dalit.
I'm not
Against a
expecting
Brahmin
a
or Dalit
response,
Muslim
viewers,
or
as you
Hindu,
can see.
the
I'm not
person is
expecting a
being
response. I've run out of time. Abdul Razak, I'm sorry I can't come to you. It's good to see you back on the debate, though. I'm terribly sorry. I've really run out of time. There's a big breaking news coming in. The Prime Minister is going to be holding meetings with 12 state chief ministers on June 17. This interaction will presumably be about the future course of action with regards to COVID, and now with the burgeoning numbers on how to deal with this changing situation. Video conference is planned, the first interaction after Unlock 1.0, to take stock of how this entire exercise has gone, and if maybe we need another lockdown or perhaps some other ways to curb the spread of COVID. We leave it at this, viewers. The news are with Navika Kumar. Stay tuned, don't go away.